Hello everyone, my name is Karuneshri. I am Assistant Professor in Chemistry from Mallareddy College of Engineering. Today's my topic is steps involved in the treatment of water for domestic use. The steps are screening, aeration, sedimentation with coagulation, filtration and sterilization and disinfection. First one is the screening. In screening process, the floating impurities like wood particles and leaves are removed. After screening, the water is enters into the aeration tank. In aeration tank, the following changes are takes place. The first one is the exchange of gases. The second one is the increase in oxygen content in water. The third one is the removal of impurities of iron and manganese in the form of hydroxide. And next process is the sedimentation with coagulation. After aeration, the water is enters into the sedimentation tank. In sedimentation tank, the suspended and colloidal impurities are removed. In sedimentation tank, we are adding coagulants like alum and sodium aluminate. This alum and sodium aluminate forms a gelatinous precipitate that is called floc. This floc attracts the colloidal impurities which are present in the water. After sedimentation, the water is enters into the filtration. Here, suspended and colloidal impurities are removed which are not removed in the sedimentation process. In filtration process, we are using two types of filters. One is the slow sand filter, the second one is the rapid sand filter. And next one is the sterilization and disinfection. In sterilization and disinfection, the destruction of harmful bacteria takes place. The sterilization and disinfection takes place by different methods. The first one is the boiling. Boiling of water for 15 to 20 minutes, it kills the bacteria which are present in the water. And next method is the ozonization by passing ozone into the water. Ozone dissociates into oxygen and nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen acts as a powerful disinfectant. And next method is the chlorination. For chlorination, we are using the three types of chlorinating agents: chloramines, bleaching powder and direct chlorination. These three chlorinating agents are forms a compound that is called hypochlorous acid. This hypochlorous acid is act as a powerful disinfectant. And next one is the breakpoint chlorination. The amount of chlorine is required to kill the bacteria, that is called breakpoint chlorination. If water is having excess amount of chlorine, it gives the bad taste and odor. So we have to remove the excess amount of chlorine by dechlorination process. The excess amount of chlorine is removed by passing water through a bed of granular carbon. The second one is the by passing SO2 and sodium thiosulfate, etc.